It's 9:30.
So
it's time to get up, nigga. And Dad is waiting for you in the dining room.
What for?
I don't know. I'm sure if you get your black ass up and go see him, you'll find out. I'm off to work. Just clean up this room, will you?
Clean up this room, yeah? Morning, Dad.
$10.50.
It's still morning, Dad.
So, how was the show last night?
The show was lit. It was awesome, like on point. I wish you were there.
According to this, I'm afraid I wasn't part of it.
Oh, wait. Where did you get those?
This is Facebook. And you're the number one trending topic as of this morning.
Damn, social media. Dad, I swear it's not what it looks like.
Look, son, I know you are young. You are popular, but this kind of lifestyle is not healthy. See, I was your age. When I was 25, I had already started my business. You know, I came from a very poor background. You know that. But I worked hard to be where I am today. I don't want to bore you with this talk, but this kind of behavior, you won't go far in your career.
I'm sorry, Dad. I just got carried away in the moment.
Don't let this repeat itself again. Okay? Not in public. And son, those women kill. Especially those you meet at the clubs.
Yeah, you're right, Dad.
Anyway, Saturday you are going to Mberengwa to see your grandma.
Dad, why Saturday? I have a show on Saturday.
Cancel it.
Come on.
Family comes first.
Dad, really?
I have time for a day, TK, a day. And you're up there with words in a flash.
I'm sorry, okay? I messed up big time, but I was high. And nothing happened besides what you saw on those pics.
Nothing happened. Your face is literally in this girl's boobs. And you're telling me Guti, nothing happened. Are you stupid?
I said I'm sorry, okay?
So, when are you introducing me to your dad?
What do you mean? My dad knows you already.
He is your friend, but I mean, when are you gonna introduce me properly?
Properly?
Is your girlfriend? Or am I not your girlfriend anymore?
Babe. Of course you are.
So?
Okay. I'll introduce you to well. Give me some sugar.
So I'm guessing you have cooled the fire.
I didn't do anything. I was just drunk.
Whatever.
Anyways, you heard about Saturday?
Yeah.
It'll be awkward traveling all the way with Dad.
You mean without Mom?
Yeah. I miss her so much, dude.
Hey, at least we get to see Grandma.
Grandma. Yeah. Grandma's a whole vibe. What are you watching?
Just rugby, man.
These boys have grown up. Huh? They are big men now. Big, handsome men. Thank you, my son. You're doing a great job.
Oh, thank you, Mama. I thank God, really.
Yeah.
I couldn't have done it on my own, you know.
Ah, that's very true.
Yeah.
Hey. And Nicholas, when are you getting married to my grandson?
Just not yet. Not yet.
Why not? Huh? What's wrong? What's wrong with these city girls?
Nothing, go. I just haven't found the right one yet.
Come to this village and find yourself a nice girl to marry.
Don't worry, Gogo. I'll find one soon.
And you, my husband,
Yes, my wife.
any contestants to take over my position?
You know you can never be contested out of your Vawasi position, right?
Better not.
Don't worry, you're safe. You're safe.
You know I'm very happy.
Yeah, sure.
Ah, thank God.
It's been a while.
Mamukaseko.
Mamuka saying.
Samuka. Kotoya kungoma.
Ah, all right. Pindai mkicheni mutore. But please, usatse mwana ngoma yangu handiti?
Na amsatyikire go. Atimbovata zoipisa.
Bobo, what do they need the ngoma for?
Jiti msukuru wangu.
Jiti.
Yes.
Oh boy, oh boy. You know, I remember those back in the day.
Isn't it where you met your wife?
I know, Mama. We just used to enjoy going there together.
She was such a darling.
Yeah, I can say that again.
So tell me, Bobo, what exactly happens at this GT thing?
Music. Jiti is all about music and dance. And of course, a lot of traditional beer.
Okay.
Sounds like your kind of scene, huh?
Yeah, dude. So hey, are you going?
Nah, I'll pass. I don't like crowds.
Oh, come on. Loosen up.
Huh?
Go there just this once, huh?
Yes.
And I promise you won't regret the experience.
Exactly.
I'm telling you. You know, it's nothing like your city parties.
Ah, no.
It's quite different.
Are you going too, Dad?
No. It's for you young boys, eh? You know, I'm too old to go for GT. But you two guys can go and have fun. Don't worry. Yeah.
There are also a lot of nice girls too.
That is a vibe killer. It's a vibe killer, this thing. You won't come. Trust me, I'll go alone.
happy now?
Of course I am. I mean, I was starting to think that you no longer love me anymore.
Since when?
You never know with you artists.
Artists.
Anyway, babe, so when are you going to join your dad's company?
Oh, my father's company? I have no intention of joining my father's company. I'm a musician and you know it.
Babe, so your dad offers you a branch at his company and you refuse that in the name of what? All in the name of being a musician. Babe, look around. How many people do you know that get a decent living from arts alone?
SK. Sylvester. JP.
Those are all people who got into the industry a long time ago when things used to make sense. But now...
But I'm doing well, aren't I?
Well, but you're only doing well on the playlist. Do you honestly want to tell me, Kuti, all the money that you spend for parties and on shows is coming solely from your music?
I'm hoping to start a recording label soon.
Recording label? Recording what? Bubblegum music?
Ella, please. Can you be supportive of my career choice for once? Just for once.
TK, I'm a lawyer. My parents expect more from me when it comes to a husband or a spouse. Seriously.
So what are you insinuating?
All that I'm trying to say is, Kuti, you have potential. A lot of potential. You have a master's in business. You did well in that. And you're choosing to throw all that away for what? For this.
First and foremost, you really know that I did that master's to make my mother happy. And she died a happy woman. And my dad supports my career choice. And I think you should too.
She must tell me who is responsible for this pregnancy. Today you are going to tell me who is responsible for this pregnancy. Diane! Diane! Tsuro! That's Diane! Are you trying to tell me you've been sleeping around with every boy in this village, that you don't even remember who impregnated you? Eh? Hey! Tell him before he kills you! I want to know the bastard who is responsible for this.
It's Coco Caranda's grandson. It's Coco Caranda's grandson.
Oh, so you knew? So you knew? You knew? Do you have a death? Do you have a death wish? Eh?
It's enough, Mama.
I'll kill you all of you. I'll kill both of you. Carry your back. I'll kill both of you.
Please don't.
Cut it out. He's out tomorrow. I'm coming there. You want to stand up now? Baba!
Let us sit down. Which one of my grandsons are you talking about?
Tauranyako.
The one from the city.
Okay, which one?
I don't know his name.
So you mean to tell us kuti iwewe hausi kuziva zita rababa wemwana wako? Yo.
You see your daughter? To think that I emptied the whole of my crew. Ndichimaendesa kuchikoro. Form 6. And this is how she repays me.
Okay, let me call my son and make his sons come here. Then we resolve this issue, okay?
So Ruva, you mean to tell us kuti iwewe you slept with a boy from the city? Ipopa Jiti popa. Na Ruva mwanangu. Is this the way we brought you up? Eh? You have embarrassed me. Wandinyadzisa mwanangu. Ndinonyarire piko mumana mona iwe duwe.
Like I said, let the boys come here. Then we resolve this issue once and for all. Please.
And in the meantime, where will she be staying? I'm saying she remains here.
Oh.
Here. What if your grandsons don't come from the city to resolve this issue?
We need to find out if her claim is right.
And whose food will she be eating? As far as I'm concerned, she is now somebody's wife. That's why I'm living here. Here. With you. Myra, Auntie. Iwe, if you want, go and drown yourself in River Kakuyu. If you want, go and hang yourself up the tree. I don't want to see you anywhere near my house. If you do, that day will be your funeral. Don't ever set your foot in my compound ever again. If you want, you can kill him. I don't care. As long as it happens here, I don't care.
You can go.
Don't tell me to go. We are going.
It hasn't come to this yet. Please.
Need I even ask who did this?
It wasn't me, Dad.
Of course it wasn't you. TK,
Yes, Dad.
didn't you just see what I've just said here? Do you know anything about this matter?
Well, you said the girl is pregnant.
And she claims it is Karonda's sons from the city who did it.
Dad, well, it was just a one-night stand. And I don't even know her name or even recall her face.
Just typical.
Hey man, these things happen.
They don't just happen, TK. Not to send people. What's wrong with you? How can you be so reckless, so careless that you sleep with any girl in the city, in the village, whom you don't know?
Dad, it just happened. I was caught up in the moment.
A GT moment, dude.
Maybe you should live a little.
You couldn't just keep it in your pants.
Come on, man.
You need to grow up, man.
Where did I go wrong with you? Takunda. Maybe just spoiled him silly in this house, you know? You've just lost, you don't have any sense of responsibility. Huh? Do you know the margin of what you've caused in this family?
Dad, I said I'm sorry.
This is not time for sorry. And do you know that as you speak, she's been dropped at your grandmother's house in the village right now?
Whoa, Dad. Why? What if she's lying that TK is the one that knocked her up?
Thank you, bro. Thank you. At least you're speaking sense. Dad, 6 weeks is a lot of time. What if she was way pregnant before I even met her?
I don't know, genius. You should know better. I don't know. But as of now, we are going back to the village so that you own up to your matter. Unless you are saying that you didn't sleep with the girl.
Baba Nico,
Mama.
this is the girl in question. Her parents left her here yesterday morning. Her name is Ruvarashe, the first daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ngoma. They live a few villages across Kakuyu River.
Okay. So, Ruvarashe, how old are you, dear?
I'm 19 years old.
So, you're saying one of my sons here is responsible for your pregnancy?
Yes.
Which one?
Rua, there's no need to cry, okay? Now, Takunda, my son, do you know this girl?
Wow. Yeah, sort of.
Sort of.
Dude, Dad, it was just a once-off thing, and it was at night, and I was drunk.
But you do remember her, right? Huh?
Yeah, I guess.
As you now know, she's pregnant. And she says you are responsible.
Oh, but is she sure that TK is the one that got her pregnant?
Yes. He's the one.
How sure are you? I mean, look, it was just a once-off thing, and 6 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I've never slept with anyone before.
And after?
Never.
Hey, whoa. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Mama, what do we do now?
Dad, I think we need to question your parents.
Shut up! That was what you're supposed to do before sleeping with her. Huh? Now she claims you got her pregnant. And she got the right to say that. Because you touched her. Or else are you denying it now? Are you? Huh? For your information, this is a very serious offense in this village. Thank God she's of age. You would have been in more trouble than this. What you need now is the way forward.
And according to tradition, Takunda, this girl is now considered your wife.
Yes.
Hence, she was left here by her parents.
Oh, wait. My what?
Your wife, of course.
Go. Isn't that taking things a bit too far now?
This is the reality of it now. Okay? And TK, the ball is in your court.
No.
It's okay, it's all right. Stop crying. It's okay.
This is freaking fucked up, man.
Tell me about it.
I mean, it doesn't make sense. Why'd you have to marry her just because she's pregnant?
No way. I don't even know this chick. And marriage, oh God. This is a fucking nightmare.
Okay, man, we just have to make sure that the baby's yours. Is it true what you said about being a virgin?
Dude, it all happened so fast. And we were drunk.
Okay, but check this. What's the worst that could happen if we take her back to the city and get her DNA tested?
Well, it all depends on the results.
If they're positive, then what?
Abortion, whatever.
Dude, abortion.
Dude, I'm not even ready to be a father here. And I don't even know this chick.
Not abortion.
And fuck, Ella. What am I going? Shit.
Baba Nico, this is Ruva's uncle. Uncle, This is my son and his 2 sons. Takunda here is the boy with the matter in question.
Thank you very much, Gogo. Without wasting much of your time, Ruva here is my brother's firstborn daughter, and we had very high hopes for her. These 2 kids may have messed up big time. It happens. But according to tradition, Ruva is now your son's wife. And as per custom, you have got to pay a bride price and the damages.
Okay, uncle, I hear what you're saying. But if you can allow us this one thing, before you conclude with that you take Ruva with us to the city for a DNA test, just to make sure that my son is rightly accused of the matter before you talk of the bride price.
DNA?
Yes.
Well, that is all up to you. As far as we are concerned, Ruva is now your son's wife. And your son is not even denying having touched our daughter, or is he?
No, he is not denying it.
So whatever you are going to do it after paying the damages.
Uncle, we hear what you are saying. What are we looking at?
As you know, my brother is very angry about this matter. And if he sees your son, I don't think anything good will come out of it. And to cool his anger down, we are asking for 2 cows and $5,000.
What? Just for damages?
It's okay. It's okay, my son. It's okay. Uncle, we've heard you. We'll work on it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, so thank you. We are taking our leave. Let's go, Myra.
Can you please take Ruva upstairs? Please.
Dude, so you're not married?
Nigga, please. Wow, it's not funny.
Guys, we've got to make sure that this girl is safe here. Okay? God knows nothing must happen to her while she's in our custody. She's pregnant and she's fragile, okay?
Yes, Dad.
You see what I always told you about being responsible? Huh? Look at what the position you put yourself in. Look at it.
I'm really sorry, Dad. I'm sorry.
So if the baby is yours, then what?
Then he marries her properly.
Come on, dude. I hardly even know the chick. It's not funny.
But she's kind of hot though.
Then you marry her.
That's your wife.
Guys, focus. As I told you, this girl must be kept safe here until returning to people, okay?
Yes, Dad.
Yes, Dad.
So, are you hungry?
No, thank you.
Okay. Do you need anything from me?
No.
Okay. If you need anything else, I'll be in the next room. Alright? Good. Cheers.
Son, I've been doing a little research. And I found out that we can only take the test after 7 weeks. And so this is a 7th week study.
Okay.
But Dr. Chu advised that it is better we wait for the 8th week so that we get best results.
But then, why can't we get her to abort the child while it's too early? Won't that be better?
No. Abortion is not an option here, son. What if it's not yours? Huh? And you make her abort the child? Someone else's child?
But Dad, you of all people know that I'm not ready. Even if the child happens to be mine.
Okay, I'll make you decide when you're sure. But in the meanwhile, I came to tell you that while she's here, she is your responsibility.
Whoa. What do you mean, Dad?
Exactly what I'm saying. You brought her into this family. Okay? Me and your brother have got a business to run.
And I've got my music to run too.
Well, like I said before, she's a burden. Okay, the best I could do, I've done it for you. Bring me into this house until you sort out your mess.
So what am I supposed to do for the next 2 weeks? Babysit her?
Exactly. And remember, a pregnant woman needs not to be stressed, okay? I'm off to work.
Okay, Dad.
You don't have to wash or clean anything here.
I was already up, so I thought I could help.
No, I appreciate that you want to help, but let me do it alone. And besides, you don't know where everything is kept.
I'm sorry.
No need to apologize. You are our guests here. I'll do everything for you. Okay. Good morning, TK.
Morning.
Good morning, TK.
Morning. Sisi,
Yeah.
did you prepare breakfast for her?
No, I was about to ask her what you want.
No. It's too early for food.
Come on, Roa. You have to eat. Maybe some
Okay.
cereal will do. In fact, Sisi,
Yes.
just prepare some cereal for the both of us.
Okay.
Yeah?
It's okay.
Roa, follow me. We need to talk. Look, we really didn't get that much time to talk back in the village. And I don't want to stress you out. But you really know we're in a big mess right now. And Roa, are you sure I'm the one who got you pregnant?
I thought that was the whole point for me to come here. To prove whether I'm lying or not.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not saying you're lying or anything, but this is so heavy on me right now. I'm in the peak of my career right now as a musician. And such issues will just cause some big scandals.
And you think this is okay for me?
I'm not saying it's okay. How do I put this? Sissy, can you please excuse us? We need some privacy. Look, I didn't mean to be rude or to sound rude, but I'm not ready to be a father yet. And I hardly know you.
I'm not ready to be a mother. I'm only 19, you know? My father spent all his livestock investing in my education. And they ended up like this. Do you think this is easy for me?
Okay. Let me put it this way. How about we get an abortion, and then I'll pay up your father all the money you use for your education. Who knows? Maybe you can go back to school. Think about it. And eat your food. Especially in this condition, you need to eat.
Oh, babe, what's going on? I passed by the studio earlier on and they said that you didn't pitch up. Are you okay?
It's just a headache. I'm not feeling too well.
Oh, babe, is it the pressure of your new album?
Yeah, that too.
And what other thing?
Nothing serious. No big deal.
Okay. So, anyway, who's that girl I saw sitting next outside?
Oh, that one, that's just my cousin from the village.
Oh.
She came here because she wasn't feeling too well.
Quinta, what's wrong?
She had stomach pains, chest pains, or something like that. And then my dad decided to bring her here for checkup.
I see. I hope it's not anything serious though.
I hope so too. I missed you so much though.
Yes.
Yeah,
I always miss you.
Yeah, sure. Come in.
What are you up to?
Nothing much. Just writing a few words to get my mind off things.
Can I maybe take a look?
Yeah, sure.
Interesting. Looks like some lyrics to me. You sing?
No. I just like writing. That's all.
Okay. Anyway, how are you feeling now? How are you doing? You know, with the pregnancy and all.
I'm okay. You know, some days are good and other days are just horrible.
Okay. You do know you're going for the DNA test tomorrow, right?
Yes, your father told me.
And you're still sure that that is TK's baby that you're carrying?
I told you people. I only slept with TK.
Okay. I didn't mean to pry, but I just feel that you have such a bright future ahead of you. Even after all this. And believe me, the abortions here are done so clean. You won't even remember you had this problem to begin with.
I think you people should just take me back to the village. I'd rather my father kill me than kill this baby that is growing inside me. It's cruel, don't you think? Killing a child because it doesn't have a father.
I didn't mean to stress you, okay? I just thought I could help.
Hi, Ruva. How are you feeling now?
I'm better, thank you.
That's great. I heard that you went to the doctors for a checkup. What did the doctor say it was?
I'm pregnant. So the doctor said I'll be fine. And I'll experience a little bit of discomfort, but eventually I'll be okay.
Oh, you're pregnant. Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Does anyone here know that you're pregnant?
Yes. That's why I'm...
Hold that. Hi, baby. Yes. Yeah, I'm at your house. I'll be... Okay, I'll be there just now. Okay, alright. I'll be back right away.
Now that you know the results, what are you thinking about this?
Please take me back to the village.
Okay. TK, what are you thinking about this?
I think we should proceed with the abortion. Like I said, Dad, I'm not ready to be a father yet.
I will not have an abortion. Say, please take me back to the village.
Rua, you're just being unreasonable here. You know that we both made a terrible mistake. A huge one for that matter. Look, I didn't promise you anything. I hardly even know you.
I know we made a mistake. I didn't plan this, okay? And I deserve for my father to kill me. But I only came here because you people wanted the truth. Now you have it. Please take me back to my family.
Look, I think we're approaching this whole thing the wrong way. Well, all this is in your best interest. I mean, you two said that you weren't ready to be a mother. And that's understandable. You still want to go to school, right?
Yes.
Good. Focus on that future. Because think about it. With a child comes responsibilities and challenges. That will only destroy that future.
How do you think I will live in the future, knowing that I killed my own child? Huh?
Look, Rua, it's not even an actual baby yet. It's just a fetus, come on.
Look, I think you should sleep on this one for now. And have this discussion tomorrow, okay? Rua, you can go and rest now.
Listen, I'm sorry about earlier. I didn't mean to upset you.
I am the firstborn in my family, you know? The way my little brothers and sisters look up to me breaks my heart. I mean, my mother would swear on her grave that I was the most decent girl in the village. I was my father's pride, you know? The first one to finish high school in the whole family. But look at where I am now. Who am I? Look at what this is doing to me. Who am I now?
Listen. We can correct this. You just make sure you abort this baby and you've literally gained your freedom back as a girl. You can pursue your dreams, foresee the brighter future you've always wanted. You can go back to school. And the better part of it is, I'll be there to help you. I will pay all the bills, from high school to college, you name it, until you've sorted yourself out.
I cannot possibly have an abortion, TK. I'm keeping this baby.
Whoa. You can't or you won't? Huh? Which one? Confirm for me. You can't or you won't? Because let me get this straight. This whole thing was a setup, right? Yeah. You did this whole thing on purpose. You slept with me because you knew I was rich. And you probably planned this whole thing with your parents.
What?
I know, yes. Listen. I know you're kind. And you're not even a percentage different from the girls I meet in the streets and in the clubs. You're all after money. Huh? So tell me, how much do you want? Hey, shut you up. How much do you want? Tell me. Because obviously what I'm giving you is not enough. How much do you want?
I don't want your money, TK. Please take me back to the village. Take me back to my family.
Take you back to your family. I will take you back to your parents as soon as you get rid of that thing you call a baby. Besides, you're not even my type. I have a girlfriend.
Somebody please leave me alone. Leave!
If she's not willing to abort, you can't force it. There are other options.
What other options are there, Dad? I feel trapped right now. And I honestly think this girl is not so innocent after all.
Well, innocent, no. She just slept with the boy she met just only once and got pregnant. But that doesn't take away your right to decide on a baby.
And what about me? Don't I get to say something about all this?
No. Your say doesn't matter more than his here.
And what if I choose to withdraw from this settlement? That if he chooses to keep the baby, then I will not be part of it.
And that sounds good to you?
Please, Dad, you are not helping the situation right now.
Hey guys. Yeah. Ruva here has something she wants to say.
Okay.
I just want to say that if having this abortion will make you happy, TK, it's okay. I will have the abortion.
Ruva, are you sure about this? Actually, have you just given it a thought?
Dad, you just said you'll have the abortion.
But I wanted to ask that we go back to the village to inform my parents so that if anything happens to me, they know.
Ruva, trust me, nothing will happen to you. The doctors here are that good.
Speaking from experience?
Quit it, man. Not now.
No, guys, I think it's a good idea that we take her back to the village. Okay? Yes. Okay, Ruva, we'll take you back to the village, right?
Yeah, right.
All right.
What's up?
Yo, bro. How did you convince her back in there to, you know?
I didn't have to say much. It's like she had already made up her mind. Though I could tell it wasn't coming from deep down, you know?
Maybe it's because of what I said to her yesterday.
Yeah.
Because I was mad, dude. I just lashed out at her.
And it worked, so I guess everything is good now, right?
Why do you sound as if I'm doing the wrong thing here?
Don't get me wrong, little brother. I've been looking at this whole situation and I just can't help but think that that's your child, man. That's your kid. And you're not even giving it a second thought to get rid of it.
Dude, it's a fetus. It's different from an actual baby.
I guess.
Right now I'm just thinking about Elle as well. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with her. I need to calm her down.
If you love her, then you have to face her. Because all this, it's not going away just like that.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
You have to. Is you good though?
Yeah, I'll be good. For now.
Alright. I'll be here if you need me. Sure.
Like I said, we are leaving on Tuesday, okay? We'll be back in 2 weeks' time. TK, please, I beg you. Behave while we are gone. Ruva will return it to the village as soon as we come back here, okay?
But can't you take her now, before you leave? so that we can process the whole abortion thing first before,
TK, this is Friday. Just have a few days to prepare for a trip. Huh? And we can't go to the village now. This is not a small matter, you know it. It will take us days there to fix your problem.
Okay. So can't you get Gogo to come over here and look after her? Because I have some rehearsals and recordings to do.
And how does she stop you?
Nick, you know that I have a tight schedule back in the studio. And I can't expect Sisi to look after her alone. You know, Ruva, she's an emotional wreck. She can do something weird.
You mean like she might want to try commit suicide?
Exactly my point.
No ways. TK, this is the time you should take a break on your music, whatever, and concentrate on this problem at hand. Okay? I don't suppose you thought that this would be simple, did you? So these 2 weeks, we are going to look after this girl. Call it house arrest or whatever you like to call it. It's your mess. And if anything happens to this girl while you're gone, that will be on you. Okay? What I want is to go and fix my business with your brother here. And when you are back, you'll sort your problem. All right? And don't say I didn't warn you. Okay?
Do you really intend on getting rid of this pregnancy?
Honestly, I want to keep my baby. But if terminating it is going to make TK happy and free, I'll have to do it.
Good. So what exactly is stopping you from doing it now? What's this fuss about going to the village and meeting your parents first?
They have to know, okay? This is a major decision in my life.
Why do I feel like you're lying to me and you already know that your parents will not approve of it? We both know that this is such a big no for such primitive village folk like your parents. They will never approve of it. You're here for the money, aren't you? But let me tell you this. That will never happen. Because I am here. This family needs an apt and well-educated daughter-in-law. Not such a rag like you.
You can't just be insulting my parents. I mean, I don't even see myself as potential Mrs. Karunda. TK is way out of my league and I don't even love him.
Okay, honey, stop. You can pretend for Nick and the rest of them, not me. I know that you're eyeing my man, but that will never be possible. Just forget and smile, because I will not rest until you're out of our lives.
Ella. Ella. Babes.
Yes, babe. In the restroom.
Okay.
You better chill out, okay? Don't even try anything funny. Don't, because I will deal with you.
Okay. Is everything okay? And Ella, why is she crying? Ruva, are you okay?
Yes, babe. Everything is fine. She's just going through one of her lows like every other pregnant woman.
Oh, okay. So I'll leave you to it. But will you be okay, bro? Are you sure?
Babe, can you just please excuse us for a minute? We need to finish this girl talk.
Okay, you say so.
We will finish this conversation later, but remember, do not be funny. Don't even say anything funny to anyone if you want any peace in this house.
Gogoka, dandathi ngiyokuzobona. Any news from the city? I spoke with my son yesterday, yes? And he said they are coming in 2 weeks' time when he's back from his business trip.
Oh, and how is Ruva?
I heard she's doing well.
Okay.
And the test. Did they manage to run the test? The DNA?
They have not confirmed anything to me yet.
Go. And I'm thinking if this is a burden to you, let my Ruwa come home. I'm actually willing to die in a place. I'll face my husband and his brother myself. I can't let my daughter suffer in the hands of one Masiru.
Ai, wakani Mairuwa. Huh? Mwanangu, this matter is beyond you and me right now. Huh? You know how men in this village think. And I know your husband. He doesn't mince his words. Huh? Please, I beg you. Let's just wait for my son to come back and we take it from there.
Goku, mwana wangu kaini ndrukurwadziwe.
Usadaro, Mairuwa. Usadaro, I know. In fact, if it makes you feel better, Handiti, I will go there to the city and see her in person. Then I'll come and confirm to you. Please.
Yeah, Goku. Maybe that way it will make me feel better.
How are you today? I mean, we're only left with 1 week to go back to the village.
Okay.
You don't look okay to me. Are you eating well?
Yes.
Anyways, Gogo is coming here tomorrow to visit us. I just think it's the fear of not knowing what's happening here.
Okay.
Please, don't let her find you like this. I don't want her to think that I'm abusing you. And I don't think you would want the same aunt.
I'll be fine when she comes.
It's okay. And please don't tell her yet about the whole abortion thingy. My dad will inform your parents, so don't alarm them yet. Okay. Come here. Don't cry. Don't cry. No, don't cry. Don't cry. Don't do this. Listen. Look at me. Hey, look at me. I don't need you. Don't look at me as your enemy. I'm just trying to do what's best for us right now. Come here. Come here. Don't cry.
Sisi, Ella hates me so much. I really wish I could just leave this place. Chero MANGWANA chai.
But you heard Gogo Karonda is coming tomorrow.
Yes. I actually want to ask to live with her when she goes back to the village.
Ruvarashe, it's only a week left. It's not too far.
My mother will never allow me to have an abortion.
Even if it were my mother.
My father is angry about the money that he spent on my education. He would rather kill me for the shame that I brought into the family. He would never ever care about this baby.
This is so sad. So, do you have any plans?
No. All I know is it's going to be one war after the other between my parents. I regret this. I don't know. I really wish I could just die so that it goes away.
Ruva, uchifira izvozvi hapana chekumbofira apo. Uchindona ndakadai, I have a son and I did the same mistake you did.
You do?
Yes, I do. But in any situation yangu yange yakasiyana neyako. Inene mukoma wangu taingatsodanana, but our parents were enemies. And hatinotozokwanisa kugara tese.
So what happened?
I'm here. I didn't die. Mwana wangu ali kukumushopu na mai vangu.
You are a strong woman, Sisi.
So can you. You are also a strong woman. Uchiona Paula apaka. Hausisiri mskana. You're now a woman, a strong woman. It's your choice to be a mother, okay? Yes.
Sissy, where is Ruva?
Outside the garden.
Oh, okay. Has she eaten yet?
I was about to take this to him.
At 3 p.m. Don't you think, Kuti, it's a little late for you to be making lunch for a pregnant person? Huh?
2 times I don't think said.
Oh. Well, I think, Kuti, you should adjust time zenyu because
What's going on here? And where is Ruva?
Babe, can you imagine this? Sisi izvezvi ndopava kuda kuendesera Ruva lunch yake now at 3 p.m. Don't you think it is a little cruel for a pregnant woman?
Wow.
What's saying it yet?
Don't
No, give me that plate. Don't make this ringing. Mimi, stay behind more cleaner stuff things that my dad and say, you know, me there. Yeah, when you say, change you up to a point of you make a mess like that.
Let her fix that and Sissy. Sorry, I'm just cleaning lunch. Babe, I'm going to the studio. 2 minutes. I won't take long.
Okay,
bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
In the north of this house, give me my plates. Oh? Tsuro chikafu Ruva. Eat. You have to be fit so that your abortion goes well. Okay? Ruva! Ruva, Kochi! Ruva, Kochi! Chi, Ruva! Are you okay? Chi, Ruva, wait a say. TK! TK! TK!
Sissy, did Ruva say anything to you at all about anything?
We just spoke a lot of general things. It wasn't much. And you know, Ruva hardly spoke.
General things like what?
About how she wanted to go back to the village.
You know what, Sissy? The doctor said Ruva had some sort of food poisoning. What did she eat last night?
The food we all ate.
And in the afternoon?
Only juice. Because he didn't want food.
Babe, you see what I've been telling you? Sissy has not been giving Ruva any food. She has been starving her. How could you say she didn't want any food yet she's pregnant? Okay, alright. Did you first prepare the food and offer it to her? And now she has food poisoning and you are the one who cooks all the food here.
Are you saying I poisoned Ruvainin? Why would I do that? And the poison actually I wanna cook.
No, you tell us. Unless you're also trying to tell us Kuti she did something to herself. Maybe try to commit suicide or something like that. But babe, think about it. That could actually be true. I mean, with everything that has been happening and fear of her father, Ruva could have maybe...
Stop. Please stop. Gogo is coming here today. And this whole situation is just stressing me, let alone my father. Now, Sissy, when Gogo comes here, we're going to tell her that Ruva had a stomach ache Full stop. Nothing else. I just need to figure this shit out.
I think we really need to be careful of Sissy here. I don't trust her at all.
Ella, I think you should go back home today. Gogo is coming, and if he sees you here, you don't give a clear picture.
Meaning what? Also, you're chasing me out now.
Ella, Kumba Kwedu, we have a tradition that we live by. My dad or even my grandma will not be okay with seeing you staying with me in this kind of situation.
Oh, okay. But they're okay with you living with some random village girl that you impregnated on a drunken night.
Are we fighting right now? Are we fighting right now? Ella, you of all people know that I'm not staying with Ruva like this. There's a situation here. You have been here all week. I just don't even know what you're talking about.
But you want me to leave now?
Because of my grandma, yes.
Okay, fine. How long is she staying?
How am I supposed to know? She's not even here yet, and with Ruva's condition, I don't even know.
Oh, Ruva's condition. So everything is about Ruva now, right?
Ella, please. Please, just stop. I am dressed right now. Right now, I need to figure out what lie to tell my dad about this whole situation. And you know what? Ruva tried to abort the pregnancy.
Isn't that what you wanted?
That's so confusing. It's so confusing because she did not want to abort the baby from the onset. And all of a sudden, she tries to do it herself. Ella, do you know a drug called APT?
No. In TK, don't you even think about making me leave this place. I'm not leaving until the day we agreed. So you might as well start preparing for your grandma's arrival.
Tata kuswaiko. How's everyone at home? Askana. Mkagodiku ya kumusha. Everyone is okay. Where is Ruva and Taku is gone to pick her at the hospital. Hospital? Is she okay?
Yeah. It's just something minor. She's okay. Hi, Gogo. Hi.
And who is this one? That sick? It's Ella. TK's friend.
No, actually, I'm TK's fiance. He's told me a lot about you, Gogo. It's good to finally meet you today. Yeah.
Okay, it's good to see you too. Gogo, you must be tired. Let's get inside so that I can prepare your food. And did it?
No, actually, pizza Gogo, let's get inside. Let me make you some food, okay?
You have to resend. Don't want pizza shine. Okay. Sorry. Gogo. You're welcome.
Takum Takumsuku.
Yes.
What's happening here? Huh? Ruva. Cheche kunetsa.
Please, some minutes. The doctor said she had a fever.
A fever? What sort of a fever is this? Huh? And when did it start? Does your father know about this?
Go. Listen, she'll be fine. So I got her last night. But the doctor said it's quite common in ladies who are pregnant.
Ah, what does he know? Huh? This doesn't look alright at all, Taku. Ruva, please. Tell me what's happening.
Coco, please. Some needs. She is not well. Besides, she's going to be fine in a few days. The doctor assured us that after a few courses of medicine, she will be perfect. She'll be good. Sure. You know what? Get him see us good. You can rest up. Coco. Get him see us good.
Takumsuku,
Coco.
you have to be very honest with me. How have you people been staying with Ruva? Kurwara kwakatanga rini?
Coco, we've been very okay. We've been living very well. Seriously. I have actually stopped going to studio just to take care of her. And this whole sickness thing started last night.
And the baby, is it alright?
Yes, the baby is fine.
Have you confirmed the DNA yet?
Well, yes, we have. And the baby is mine.
Ah, okay. I see you've got a girlfriend here, Ella.
Yes, Grandma.
Is it okay with you?
To be honest, Gora, we're trying to figure out things.
Do you love her?
Who?
Your girlfriend, of course.
Go.
You are confused, right?
Not really.
Zverudoka izvi muzukuru, wotoshinga. And you have to be careful.
It was just a fever.
Are you sure you did not eat anything bad?
No, I didn't. How is everyone at home?
Everyone is fine. And your mother is the reason why I came here. She came home the other day and she was very worried about you. You know your mother is very emotional.
Yeah, I know. But I'll be with her very soon.
And I hear that the baby is ours.
Yes.
And why are you sulking? You know it's good news on you. It shows that you are not lying. And don't worry. Taku will take care of the baby for you.
He doesn't care about the baby, Coco. He wants me to have an abortion.
What? An abortion? No ways. No abortion as long as I live. And you said yes to that. Ah. Manny,
Gogo.
where's Tab?
He has gone out with Ella. I think they'll be back soon.
Oh, okay. I'll wait for them.
Gogo, Gogo kanaka.
Kuchinaka kopi? Huh? Are you sure that Ruva didn't try to commit suicide? No, Gogo, no, why? There is something missing to this. Ziso rake mabudira rakaita nezuro pandakamuona. No, man. As if she took poison or something.
Ah, Gogo, it's just a fever.
And did she tell you that Taku wanted to have an abortion?
Yes.
And you think that's proper?
No, Gogo. I told her not to do so, but TK insists.
Taku. What's wrong with this child? Huh? Vana mazuva ano soka. Kuda kuita zvinhu zvinonyangadza kudai izvi.
Takapigirwa muzvindudzi unoziva munhu akazvitakura makuseneka ega anomukachinzwa kudaurudza unokanga tunzongotoisa suti ukangonzwa zvadaro ukangodya zvinopeka ehe sarega vanhu vachidyira mudzimbudza kwete maswera sei takumzuko can I speak with you? Unozikanga wodziika paunongoziva iwe wega kuti ndotadzira pera nevanhu very well.
I heard that you are forcing Ruva to have an abortion. Is that true?
Well, Gogo, you know that I'm not ready to...
That's not the point, son. Are you being forced to be in this child's life?
Gogo, it's not like it's something new to this world. It happens every day in this world. Besides, I want to correct our mistake.
With Meda. Now listen, son. I am not going to let you or anyone else force this girl to abort her unborn child. If you don't want to take responsibility for this baby, don't worry. I'll do that for you.
It's not like that, Gogo.
Do you know that it's a taboo to abort a child in our culture? Huh? Have you ever thought of your parents back in the village? How they will feel with this sick, evil idea of yours? Ko akafa during the process.
Excuse me.
Gogo, it's not like I want to be all evil with her, but our situation is complicated here. Right now, as you can see, Ella, my girlfriend, she's here.
Ah, that's another thing. What is she doing here? She's staying with you here as what? Huh? Babako wakazotanga rini kukungotendera zvese zvese izvi?
He doesn't know. She only came when Nick and Dad left for Kenya.
Ah, I see. So she's protecting her territory by staying with a man who hasn't paid lobola for her. Do you want to marry her?
Chembere, so don't worry. I'll tell her to leave. Now that you're here. And besides, Chimka mkazo jokutanga. Don't worry, Gogo.
I hope you're not pretending to be sick so that Gogo can feel sorry for you. Because, Ruva, I told you that whatever it is that you're planning here will not work. Okay? And this idea of yours, Yakufurira Gogo, to talk TK out of the abortion, is a joke. Because I won't let you ruin my relationship with TK over something as stupid as a pregnancy. You hear me?
I don't know what you want me to say.
I want you to go and tell Gogo you will have that abortion. And I want you to go back, Kumusha, and tell your parents, convince them that you will have that abortion, because if you don't, my friend, you won't like what's coming to you. You will unleash the full monster in me. A monster that you and your family cannot contain. I'm glad that we had this talk. Good day.
Gogo, we'll be back soon. I'm taking Ruwa to the hospital for a checkup.
Ah, that's okay. And where is Ella?
Ella is by her house. She went back yesterday. No one again is.
Oh, by the way.
Makanga. Anyways, we now go out.
Ah, all right. So how was the trip?
It was fine. Pretty successful. Yeah, sure.
Go.
Where's Ruwa?
Is she not here?
What do you mean? I want to put a name of saying you what doctor.
Listen, speak up, man. Huh?
I took her to the doctor for a checkup, and then when I came back to pick her up, she was gone.
Gone? When you left? What are you talking about? Huh?
I thought she came back here.
Came back here? From the avenues alone? Well, you can say she's not here.
Oh, Taku. Aripi mwana wanu.
I suggest you go and look for her right now.
Let me go with you.
She can't be so lost at the clinic. Move! We'll find her. Move, move, move! So, where did you end up?
We searched everywhere, Dad. Literally the whole city. Nothing.
So, we need to report her missing.
Already done that. We've just been to the police.
Oh my God. What is this now? Huh? How will I face the whole village? People will stone me to death. Don't worry.
Mama, don't worry. We'll figure something out. I hope she's somewhere here. She's somewhere here. Don't worry.
What if she's dead? Huh? Or she has been, somebody has kidnapped her?
TK, now see what they've caused now. Huh? You can't be responsible for only 2 weeks. 2 damn weeks. Huh? Now tell me, what are you going to do about this? Because this is all on you.
Come on, Dad. Don't be so harsh on him. I've been with him the whole night, and to be honest, he's already feeling worse than you can ever impose on him. He knows he messed up.
No, man. We've let TK get away with everything in this house. Huh? He's a spoiled little brat, this one. From now on, he's going to be responsible for his mess. You look for Rua, return it to the village, and moreover, he's going to pay all the charges from his own pocket. You'll never learn. You'll never grow up. Now look, my mother is tangled. Know this. Do you want to kill her? Huh?
So they left you to drift away like the wind from the city. Awa narutsva kangozi nena. Avazondi na mushako wako. Ndikanoparadza kamushaka ese kai. I can crash that homestead into absolutely nothing.
Nai babaru. Yes, she is narrating. It's not like they knew what happened.
And the results? What did they say?
Mwana ndio atakunda.
Thank God.
So they wanted to kill you to cover up for their mistakes.
They're coming to see you.
If they are coming, they must pay Lobola. That's all I want. If they say they don't want you, I don't care. As long as they give me twang. They must pay.
I know you are angry, my son, but we need a solution.
You know, I don't know what to think anymore, Mom. These boys actually killed me this time.
I think I should go back to the village and inform my parents on this. We can't just sit quietly. What if something terrible happens to her? It could be worse on us.
You know, we just pray you find her alive. Oh, God. I pray she's alive. Maybe if you can give it one more day to hear from the police.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Hello? Okay. Thank you very much. Okay.
Who was that?
That was Rula's father. She is in the village.
Thank you, Jesus.
So, what may I tell you? Hey!
Where is TK?
I think I'm serious.
I didn't know.
She's alive, Nick. Stop it. She's alive.
Stop it, forthwith!
Why are you going to the village? Gogo said something about medication. Get up, man. She's alive. Come, let's go. Are you serious? Get up. Wasting time. Come.
Nick, hurry up, fool.
Hurry your ass up.
Nick.
We are here to tell you that we are not very happy with what you did, you guys, with our daughter. Our daughter came here on her own, without anyone escorting her. She could have been harmed. Number 2, you took our daughter to Harare, saying you were going to do a DNA test, and yet you were going to make our daughter have an abortion. Maida kubvisa numbu yemwana wedu kuti mwana wedu afe. Izvozvo hazvina kutiitira zvakanaka, hazvina kutifadza chose. Imhosva yamakaita inoita kuti titoenda kwamambo inoperera kwamambo.
Pamusoroi baba, pamusoroi. Ndinokumbirawo chokwadi nemwoyo wakaperera. Tiregerereiwo. Zvese zvamuri kutaura mhosva dzese hatisi kuramba. Asi tachingokumbirawo tingotaurirana pachedu. Tirege kuenda chokwadi baba, sori zvenyu. Tachingokumbira tisaende kwamambo. Tingotaurirana pachedu.
Okay. Zvakanaka. Imuri munhu mukuru iyi. Muri kuona kuti zvamakaita hazvina kunaka. Saka nyaya iri panapa apa ndeyekuti makafanirwa kuti muripe.
Mama, Inina, I'm going back with Nick. Okay. As you know, we just came back from our trip. And work is waiting for us at the office. Okay. But TK will stay here and make sure that Ruwa is okay. All right?
But you heard what your father said about the baby.
Well, like I said, TK is going to pay for all the damages they want. It's his mess. And since he doesn't want the child, I think he'll be in a better position to arrange for the child support.
Very well then.
Yeah.
I'm glad she's getting better.
Yeah.
For me, that's enough.
So what do you intend to do? You still want her to have the abortion?
No. I think she should keep the baby.
You want it?
She wants it. And I think it's only fair if he gets to keep it.
And Ella? What do I tell her if she comes home?
I don't know, man. The truth.
Okay. So how long are you going to be staying here?
As long as it takes. One. Yeah, so yeah, you guys travel safe and bye. Cool.
So how are you today?
I'm much better, thank you.
And did you eat anything?
Yes, porridge.
Tell me, what happened to you? Why did you run away?
I did not run away. I just left.
Just left. Without even telling me. Do you know how scared I was? My whole family was in panic mode. Me and Nick, we didn't even sleep home. We were out there searching for you everywhere.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
It's okay. I'm glad you're okay now.
Me too. My father says it's okay. I can stay, so there is no need for me to.
It's okay. You can keep it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure. Don't you want the baby?
I do.
Yeah, so keep it. It's okay, Aunt. Here. This is for you.
Sweets.
Not just any sweets. Jelly babies. For the baby.
But you know I still like my soul, right?
Yes, ma'am. But you never know. She might just end up liking this.
Are you not trying to get me hooked on something that I will not be able to get?
Who said you won't? And don't forget that baby has a father.
But I thought you said you're not ready to be a father.
And now I am.
You're not just saying that to make me feel better, right?
Look, bro. You've been unwell, yes. And yes, I came to make sure you're alright. But look, me staying behind has all been on me, and not guilty conscience. Look, I realize that you and me have something in common. I mean, you understand me way better than anyone else does. And You taught me to be a man. A real man. A responsible man for that matter. And I owe you.
Look, I'm sorry for all this. I mean, if I had not taken in, we wouldn't be here. Your music career wouldn't be on hold, and your father wouldn't be angry at you.
Don't worry about that. I'm a man. I can handle that. What's important is what we're having right now. This getting to know each other. And I vow, I can tell you, I can safely say this has been the best 4 weeks of my life.
I hope you're not feeling sorry for me, because I wouldn't like that.
Come on. Now you've messed. I was having it all in order and you've just messed up my lines.
You're so funny, you know that.
That's right. And hey, I'm good now. Listen. We brought us here. You and me. Don't regret everything that happened. Don't blame yourself. I've grown so fond of you, and ever since you came into my life, you've changed my life. My whole life completely. And I love you.
Taku, where are you coming from?
You know where I'm coming from.
Since morning until now, I can see from the look on that face. She finally got you, right?
Woman, don't start. You know I'm the man of this house.
Chokwali, Taku, my grandson, you know I'm glad that you've managed to take responsibility of yourself in this manner. I never thought you could handle this well. And I was even worried about my status in this village. But I'm glad you have done me well.
But don't worry, Gogo. I was never going to let all this fall on you. No, not on my watch. But enough of these sad stories.
Huh?
Let's talk better stories.
Like what?
I think I want to pay Lobola for Rua.
Huh? As in marrying her or for the sake of your child?
As in marrying her.
Huh?
I love her, Gogo.
Are you sure about this?
I've never been so sure of anything in my whole life.
Hey! You know what? Ruva is a good girl. And I am sure she's going to make a good wife for you.
Gogoka, Matanga.
Huh?
Matanga.
Lord, I thank you.
Gogoka.
I thank you, Lord. You can go and have something to eat in the kitchen.
Alright.
I am so happy.
So I'm bringing him to kudzala my juna.
Huh? Huh? Hey.
So when are you going back to the city?
Next 2 weeks? Why? Are you going to miss me? Liar. I know you're going to miss me.
No. I won't miss you at all.
Anyways, I am going to miss you. And I hate it when I miss you.
How about Ella?
Ella. She's no big deal. Besides, I'm going to be a married man. And I don't want to cheat on my wife.
Meaning?
You know what I mean. I'm going to marry you. And we're going to live this place together.
Serious?
You bet. I haven't told my grandma, my dad, and Nick. They all know. And they're all ready. I love you.
Liar, I saw his car out front. I'll copy.
That's up.
What the hell is going on here? Huh? Why are you shouting? Have you gone mad?
Nick, sorry. Hi. Where's TK? I've been trying to call him. He hasn't been picking my calls.
Ella.
And where has he been for the past 2 months?
Ella, I think it's best you go home and never come back here. TK will talk to you when he gets back.
Back from where? And what is this village rat still doing here?
Better watch that uneducated mouth of yours. Wanzo, that village rat is TK's wife. Yes, his legitimate wife. So if you knew better, you leave TK alone. He's now a married man.
No. No way. No way. I will not let TK humiliate me like this. No.
For someone who's very knowledgeable of the law, you're actually very dumb. You should be glad we're not pressing charges against your crazy ass. The PTA you hid in TK's room and your stuff, Sissy found that. And those theatrics you pulled with your friends to try threaten Rua to leave town. We know about that too. We know about everything. But as civil people, we're willing to let everything slide. If you just disappear from all our lives. From TK's life. From Ruva's. Goodness, if TK was here, I don't know what he would have done to you.
Nick.
Leave.
Nick. Please, just...
Ella, leave.